November 30th is the deadline to pay the second installment of tax prepayments. In Italy, you can calculate it in two ways, with the historical method or the provisional method. The historical method is simply 100% of your past year tax liability, while the provisional method is 100% of this year tax liability. However, since you have to pay on November 30th and the tax year ends on December 31st, you need to make some assumptions and forecast. So, if your business grew during the year compared to last year, I suggest you to use the historical method as you have a lower cash outflow. Otherwise, if your business shrunk, and this is very typical for freelancers that might have had a big project last year and this year they do not, possibly it is better to liaise with your tax accountant, do a forecast of your annual turnover, your taxable income, and the forecasted tax liability, and pay according to that. But it's very important to forecast properly, otherwise you end up in an underpayment of taxes and fines and penalties apply. So in this time of the year, you should sit down with your accountant and figure out if your numbers changed and if you have to adjust tax prepayments.